This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today I'm going to answer 2 questions that I get asked regularly during my sightseeing tours about the cathedral. What does the circle that we see in Monet's Cathedrals series correspond to? And why is this circle no longer visible when you are in front of the cathedral? First, this circle is actually a clock that actually existed when Monet painted 30 paintings of the facade in 1892 and 1893. But then what happened? Well, from 1895, a facade renovation project began. This follows on from previous renovations of the cathedral, which concerned in particular the portal of the Booksellers, the portal of the Calende, and the interior of the building. At that time, the facade was badly damaged, and it was up to Louis Sauvaget to take on the challenge of giving the western facade a second life. 13 years later, in 1908, the work was completed and the result was going to be slightly different from the facade painted by Monet. Indeed, following the renovation work, the clock initially present on the facade was removed for the completion of the work and was never put back in its place. QED.